Good morning and welcome. This is the CommexFX Daily Outlook for the 10th of September 2014. The euro rose 0.29% against the US dollar and closed at 1.2936 after the EU delayed its fresh sanctions against Russia, Europe's biggest trading partner. In the US, the Small Business Optimism Index advanced to 96.1 in August, exceeding market expectations of 96.0, following a reading of 95.7 in the previous month. The pair is expected to find support at 1.2873, and a fall-through could take it to the next support level of 1.2817. The pair is expected to find fresh resistance at 1.2972, and a rise-through could take it to the next resistance level of 1.3015. Investors would await US mortgage applications for the last week, scheduled to release later in the day. The British pound rose 0.08% against the US dollar and closed at 1.6108, following upbeat data from the UK. The industrial production in the UK expanded in July, marking its fastest pace in 5 months, thus pointing momentum in the recovery of Britain's economy. The industrial production rose 0.5% on a monthly basis in July, beating market expectations of a 0.2% rise. Separately, the Bank of England Governor Mark Carney indicated that the central bank would meet its inflation and employment objective if it starts to raise its benchmark rates in early 2015. The pair is expected to find support at 1.6069, and a fall-through could take it to the next support level of 1.6014. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 1.6168, and a rise-through could take it to the next resistance level of 1.6212. Trading trends in the pound today would be determined by the Bank of England's testimony on the August inflation report. The US dollar strengthened 0.19% against the Japanese yen and closed at 106.20. The Japanese yen lost ground after the Consumer Confidence Index in Japan unexpectedly eased to 41.2 in August. Separately, the Bank of Japan Deputy Governor Kikuo Iwata stated that the Japanese economy is on track and continues to recover moderately, amid increase in spending by households and companies ahead as effects of April sales tax hike eases. The pair is expected to find support at 106.02, and a fall-through could take it to the next support level of 105.75. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 106.52, and a rise-through could take it to the next resistance level of 106.76. The US dollar declined 0.25% against the Swiss franc and closed at 0.9330. The pair is expected to find support at 0.9308, and a fall-through could take it to the next support level of 0.9277. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 0.9375, and a rise-through could take it to the next resistance level of 0.9411. Amid lack of economic releases from Switzerland today, trading trend in Swiss franc would depend upon global news. That was our last currency pair for the day. Don't forget to check out the CommexFX affiliate program. We offer one of the most attractive and profitable IB packages in the Forex industry. Stay in the know by liking us on Facebook, following us on Twitter and Instagram, circling us on Google+, and of course, subscribing to our YouTube channel. Have a nice and profitable day.